We cannot get enough of these season 2 Shopkins.
I got a big one.
He's gonna open the big one this time, and I'm going to open up the tiny one, the 5-pack. We still have not seen any of the blind baskets in our stores yet. Season 2. Ever since season 2 has come out, there have been an abundance of the season 1 Shopkins blind baskets, packs, everything. So we still have a lot of the season 1
diapers. I got that.
You got a diaper. There are some season 1 Shopkins that we still need, so we'll probably be buying some of those again. If y'all want to see videos of the season 1 openings, just leave a comment in the comments.
Below.
Yeah, leave a comment below and tell us if we'll be wasting our time just making a video of that or not, if y'all are still into that, or if y'all just want to see season 2 from now on.
Oh my.
Either way, we're going to be buying season 1. Oh yeah, if y'all haven't noticed, we got new lighting after I broke our other one. Okay, so, do you want to go first?
I'm gonna go first.
Okay, let me open it first. Daddy says hi, everyone. Daddy called. Okay.
Day after tomorrow is my day.
Anyways. Okay.
Wait, I'll open it.
Ooh. You want to grab that checklist for Mommy?
Yes. Checklist.
I can't see if that's too bright or not. Okay, I'll get it. Alright, buddy. So I'm going to take out this. And here are the 2 blind. And then you just start handing them to you. Want to scoot over just a little bit. So, oh, well, not that much.
This diaper is very cute.
Oh, I love the baby Shopkins. Oh, it's so fuzzy. Okay, so this one is, in fact, a diaper like Caleb said. And this one's called Nappy D. Nappy D.
I got shoes.
And it is, of course, a special edition.
Mommy, we got double.
Isn't that cute? Okay, so there's that one. And then we've got here, just go here. Oops. I'm always out of focus, or out of frame. Okay, and this one is called Banana Splitty. And that one is a common.
Is the diaper a common?
No, the diaper was a special edition. Okay, and then we got this wedged sandaled shoe. So cute. And this one is called...
We got a lash inside.
Wedgie Windy, and she's common. Okay, and then, what is this thing? Juicy Orange, and she's in the pink, and she is a common. Oh, air freshener, how adorable is this? Air freshener, and she is a common, and her name is Brie Freshener. We got the tin foil, and its name is Al Foil, and it is a common, and it's in the green. And then we have, I think this is Bacana Pie.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Yep, Bacana Pie. We already have this one, and it's a rare.
Where?
Yay! And then we have this shoe already, which is fine with me because now we have a pair. And this one is called Heels. Okay, and then I think this is the clove of garlic.
Garlic.
We love garlic in my household. Yep. Yes, you do. You like garlic bread. Okay, this one is a common and its name is Garlic Rose.
Garlic Rose.
Garlic Rose. And then of course we have this one already also, and it is another double of ours. We had this is Corny Cob, and it's a rare, and it's in the pink and green. We have one of these already, but we also had the one of the traditional yellow corn, and we sent our double to Jessie and Bodie from Jessie and Bodie UK. Alright, so that is all of the show ones, so let's get into the blind gas bags. Okay. Sorry.
It's okay. We don't have, wait, do we have this one?
We don't have that one. Oh, it's so cute. It's an iron.
You have an iron?
Well, at home, yeah. Okay, this one is called Sizzles, and it is a rare, and it is a little iron.
We already have it.
How cute is that?
Do we have this one?
Yes, we do have that one. Okay, we have the oil again, and this one's called Olivia Oil, and she is an ultra rare. She is clear and glittery. It's funny how all the rares we have doubles, but all the commons we don't. That's weird. You think that's weird? I think that's weird. Okay, Caleb. Mommy's gonna open up the 5-pack now. Are you ironing the table?
Yes.
Okay, let's set all these down here. We have all the trash. Scissors we don't play with. Alright, opening the 5-pack. I had to take an Instagram picture. Okay, if you aren't following us on Instagram, you totally should. Check the description bar below. That's our link to Instagram. Follow us. Follow us. We have fun on Instagram, don't we, buddy? Okay. I already have a checklist, so we'll just use this one. Okay. Got the blind bag out already. Let me pop all these out and then iron them. This is very loud. I'm just going to leave the Shopkins bags in the plastic because we're just going to end up throwing them away anyways.
Are you going to throw them away?
Yeah, because we have so many already. Okay, so let's start out with the cleaning spray sparkle, and his name is Squeaky Clean, and it is a common.
I'm wearing a diaper.
Are you wearing the diaper? Okay, so we need to go to Sweet Treats or Bakery, whichever one, and we got Chocolava, and it is a common. So cute.
I got 12.
I'm so obsessed with Shopkins, you guys.
I got 12.
You do have 12. I'm addicted.
Diaper.
It's like an addiction. You gotta see if you can collect them all. And there's like 148 to collect.
Do we have a diaper?
No. We have sisters' diapers, but not Shopkins diapers.
Yes.
Okay, so I've got Poppy Corn. This is the whole reason why I bought this 5-pack, because I love it and it's so cute. It's a common. Okay, and then we've got a rare, which is the cauliflower, Chloe Flower. So cute. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my
Shopkins.
blind bag. Okay. Oh, it's already ripped. Oh, okay, so I got the iron. We got the iron again, but this one is in the pink. Yay!
And this
This is Sizzles in the pink. And we got him in the green in Caleb's 12 pack. And I just got him or her in the pink. So here she is, and she is a rare.
And I got green.
He got the green one. Alright, wow. Out of all of these, I would have to say that we only got a few that we already have. Like, we've got the corn, the pecan pie, and the hill. And I think that's about it. I think we may have these sparkle spray. I'm not sure. I have to go look. Well, that is it for today for this video. We want to thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button to keep up with all of our toy reviews, blind bag openings, and all of our funness.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.